Good morning, student. In the continuation of the accounting, as we are doing the chapter accounting of partnership. In my last lecture, I have taken one example. So today also I am going to take one question of the exercise. The question is Kunal and Saurabh. Kunal and Saurabh are equal partners. Kunal and Saurabh are equal partner. Their capital are 20,000 and 16,000 respectively. It means the capital of Kunal is 20,000 and capital of Saurabh is 60,000. Now next, interest on capital is to be 10%. Allowed to be 10%. From the prior to the division thereof, the net profit of the year ending is on 31st December 2017 before allowing the interest on capital is 9,800. It means जब भी अपन क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हमारे प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस करने का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबसे मेन बात यह है कि आपको क्वेश्चन के एक एक वर्ड को बहुत ही डीपली पढ़ना पड़ता है, बहुत ही केयरफुली पढ़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन अगर हमने केयरफुली पढ़ा है तो हम उसके एक एक पॉइंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारा क्वेश्चन कभी भी गलत नहीं होगा. तो एज आई हैव explained you and I have told you already कि first of all when we will make the profit and loss appropriation account, so first of all what we have to take out from the question, the first step is to take out the by balance B D. Now in the bracket we will write profit. So in our question, what is the profit of the year? 9,800. Profit of the year is, we will write here 9,800. Now the first information is given in the question is that the capital of their partner were 12,000 and 16,000 respectively. The rate of interest on capital rate is 10%. Now to interest on capital, what is the name of our partner? Kunal and Saurabh. Kunal and so now tell me the first capital of the partner Kunal is 20,000 and the 10% of 20,000 is, you will calculate. So it is, I am going to calculate over here in this rough side. So 20,000 into 10 upon 100. What is the 2,000? So interest on capital is 2,000. And now in the same way, the next is 16,000 into 10 upon 100. So what will be the interest on capital for Saurabh is 1,600. Now we will make the total here and we will write in the main column of the debit amount column. So it will be total 2 plus 1 3 3600. So this is the interest on capital. Okay. Now any other information we are getting in the question? No. So all the information which is given in the question we have already written over here. So now the main important part of the accounting is balancing the account. एनी अकाउंट को बैलेंस करने का तरीका अगर आपको पता है और आपने सही से सीखा है तो आपके क्वेश्चन कभी भी गलत नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट इज द, नाउ आई एम going to explain you how to total this account. First of all, the total of credit side is 9,800 and there is no other information here, so it is already total here. So by seeing this we are knowing that the total of credit side is more and the total of debit side is less. So what we have to do, the balancing the account. I have told you now. Now the way of balancing is, we will write over here the 9,800 here. 9,800. Now we will going to make the minus. Now how much amount we have to put it here will be come here, then the account can be balanced. So what is 9,800 minus 3600,002 and 6? It means here the amount will come 6200. Now when we total both these amount, then we will get 9,800, and we will write over here to net profit transfer to capital account. Now the name of the partner, Kunal and Saurabh. Now the main important thing, the distribution of the profit among the partners sharing ratio. Now where is the partner sharing ratio in the question? It is written over here. Kunal and Saurabh are the equal partner. Means the whatever will be the profit, it will be distributed among the partner is equally. Now we have get it 6200. So half of the 6200 is 3 and 1 means 3100. 3100. So here our question has been completed, and now make the practice. This is the example of your exercise book. So make your practice and make the try to solve other questions of your books. And if you get any doubt and any questions, so just you can ask to me. Okay, thank you.